Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best mini sewing machines for budget shoppers on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the mini sewing machine for beginners JUKMB. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners by JUKMB is a compact and versatile option designed to simplify sewing projects for novices and hobbyists. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move and store, which is especially useful for those with limited space or for anyone who wants a machine they can take on the go. This sewing machine offers double thread stitching, which ensures stronger and more durable seams. It also features 2-speed control, allowing users to adjust the machine's pace to their comfort level. This makes it easier to achieve precision and is particularly helpful for beginners who are just learning to sew. The machine comes pre-threaded and includes a built-in light. This feature enhances visibility, making it ideal for intricate work or sewing in dimly lit areas. Beginners will find this especially convenient as it reduces the challenges often associated with threading and proper lighting. A standout feature of the JUKMB Mini Sewing Machine is its 12 built-in stitch patterns. These patterns provide versatility, allowing users to experiment with different techniques and styles. Whether you're hemming clothes, creating decorative stitches, or working on small crafts, this machine has options to suit your needs. The included foot pedal is another practical feature. It allows for hands-free operation, giving users greater control and convenience during sewing. This addition helps make the machine more user-friendly, even for those who may be handling sewing equipment for the first time. The machine comes with a sewing kit that includes essential accessories such as needles, bobbins, and a threader. This means you can start sewing projects immediately without needing to purchase additional items. This kit is a thoughtful addition that enhances the value of the product. Overall, the JUKMB Mini Sewing Machine is a reliable and accessible option for beginners or anyone seeking a portable tool for everyday sewing projects. Its combination of intuitive features and practicality makes sewing approachable and enjoyable, catering to both learning and creative needs. Another noteworthy aspect of the JUKMB Mini Sewing Machine is its durability despite its compact size. Built with quality materials, it is designed to handle a variety of fabrics, from lightweight cotton to thicker materials like denim, within its capacity. This makes it not only a convenient option for beginners but also a dependable tool for small to medium-sized projects that require a sturdy and efficient machine. Number 2 is Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners. The Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners is a compact and easy-to-use device designed for those just starting out in sewing. Its lightweight and portable design make it convenient to store and transport, catering to small spaces or mobile crafting needs. This machine is an excellent option for beginners seeking a practical and accessible way to explore sewing. This sewing machine offers double thread and double speed functionality, ensuring durability in seams while providing users with flexibility to adjust the stitching speed. This feature is particularly helpful for new users who may want to start slow and gain confidence as they learn. The machine is equipped with a built-in light, which illuminates the workspace and makes it easier to handle detailed projects or work in low-light conditions. This thoughtful addition is especially useful for beginners learning to sew with precision. With its simple operation, the Mini Electric Sewing Machine allows users to perform basic stitches effortlessly. The user-friendly design includes pre-threading, which eliminates a common challenge for those new to sewing, helping users start projects quickly and with ease. A foot pedal is included, providing hands-free control for added convenience and a smoother sewing experience. This feature is especially useful for those who prefer more traditional operation or need both hands free to guide the fabric. The machine is accompanied by a practical sewing kit that includes essential tools like extra needles, bobbins, and a threader. This ensures that users have everything they need to begin sewing projects right out of the box, making it a great starter package. Overall, the Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners combines functionality and simplicity. Its features are tailored to help new sewists develop skills while offering convenience and versatility for a variety of small to medium sewing projects. This machine is a reliable and approachable option for crafting and everyday sewing needs. And to finish, the first position goes to the Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine for Beginner. The Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners is a compact and versatile tool, perfect for those new to sewing or working on small projects. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store and portable enough for crafting on the go. Despite its small size, it offers impressive functionality for everyday sewing needs. This sewing machine features double thread stitching, ensuring strong and durable seams, and 2 speed settings, allowing users to tailor the machine's operation to their skill level and the project at hand. The user-friendly design includes pre-threading, making setup simple and convenient, especially for beginners. An extension table is included with the Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine, providing extra support for larger fabrics and enhancing stability during use. This feature is particularly helpful for creating smooth and precise stitches, even on more challenging projects. The built-in light ensures clear visibility while working, enabling detailed stitching in any lighting condition. With a complete accessory kit, including bobbins, needles, a threader, and a foot pedal for hands-free operation, this sewing machine offers everything needed to get started right away. The Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine is a reliable and approachable option for beginners, combining functionality and portability in one compact package. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 mini sewing machines that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.